What's up, y'all? So I am officially 30 weeks. I am 30 weeks today. I can finally share my big news. I am having a girl. She's due in the next 10 weeks. So I decided to start me a new YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel, I'll link it down below, but I decided to do a completely new YouTube channel just to document my last pregnancy. Yeah, so I'm 30 weeks. I don't know why I keep saying it. I don't know what to say, but so I'm about to start documenting my nesting phase. I feel like I look cute today, y'all. But I'm about to start documenting my nesting phase. So today will be the first like nest with me video. I want to hurry up and put her dresser together before I have to go get my nails done, because you know, sometimes when we get our nails done, girls, we become handicapped. So I'm about to put her dresser together. I'll let y'all watch. And yeah.
To me, I feel work. See me do me something about that work. When you walk up in the girl, drive me at you're lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a crisis. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are decorations. You took my heart, on my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, on my sleeve, a decoration. When we stick in my head, I brought for you a foundation. All that I want from you to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. So me about that work. When you work, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. So I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this true. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You tell me I feel work. You see me do it. Something about that work. When you walk out.
Yeah, okay, you don't need to get done. Let the work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. You had a twin, I was there true with you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. Come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got what's trying to hear me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Give me all the work.
You tell me I feel work. You see me do my something about that work. When you walk out, when the cat from my church. Work.
Yeah. Hey. Treat me like the